Open the file 5 Villa Floors. Start here. We have the file with the tiles and some areas for example here an external road. Then as far as the interiors are concerned, I have cut polygons, and also on the outside I have cut polygons in such a way that we have an external part and an internal part here inside our building. This is because in addition to roof tiles, there are flooring that are smart objects. These are understood as intelligent objects. We tell them import merge. You can also find them on the site. One is called block impairment and another simple wood floor. Obviously this is good for the exterior, this is good for the interior. Let's take this for example for the outside. We tell him open. There are 3 elements and we move them. It is obvious that in an architectural project you should make a level with floors written on it. For example, exterior, interior. For speed I will show you them in this way. They are made up of 3 objects. These are also smart objects. So you just need to select an object at a certain height because it is an outdoor flooring. And go to select the area. Here is a unique area. So you just have to click directly into this location, and it is arranged like this. Obviously if there are cuts, as we will see in the internal flooring, I can amend the provision and the guidelines. Build here for example we have the garage here, there is a line that goes to delimit. So I click here directly on this side, and he does the flooring only inside the garage. As for the exteriors, for example this ditto build, I am the one who decides, for example, the side. If I click here it extends into this location if it has a different orientation and I do. A click here extends in another direction so I can change the orientation. Let's go. For example above I click inside here and he gives me one and then I make a more. You can see that in this case they are also how to say not straight, but they are a bit individual. Because it also depends on how I click. I'm going to select for a moment this object that represents our upper floor and I go to select this element and I do Alt Q like this. We see it. This part and this part are the parts that represent the outside, so if I, for example, I make a click here, he extends more correctly in this whole line. If I do to example a click qua ditto extends in this verse. Okay, obvious that they have a coloring. Are different. They are 2 different provisions. If I want a single area I have to do it without delimitation of age, therefore there must not be ages that delimit the surface in this case. If I want to color them in the same way, I can do for example so in here that the inner part. Can I go to select instead another type of flooring? Let's click out and there. I say import merge. Let's go get wood floor here too. There are 3 floors. There are move as you did before as regards the flooring as it means outdoor. And you put them a little where you want. I can choose for example this one and I choose the inside. Then We select both. I have to do this part, so build. I decide the orientation. If I click here, they extend in this direction. I delete it for a moment so we see. Even the other build, if I click instead here, extends in the other direction, so I can decide the orientation. I go out and select this, this, this and this. I say Alt-Q and here I have the opportunity to decide different types of paving areas. So it will be enough to go and select the one we like best, for example this one. Build. I click here. He does this to me. If I want to continue, I click here and he makes me this one. For example, I made a click by mistake and built a floor for me. I'll tell you build, for example here and here in the middle there is the wall, so it doesn't do it to me. Here you observe that there is a line, so if there is a line I can go diagonally. It can also be done in another way, but it is easier to do it in this way. Then the object is taken back and a difference of this type is created. Obviously the line at the moment breaks it. If I want, you can create ways in. Diagonal at this moment. While I made a click, I moved the mouse and moving the mouse in one direction, I have created a unique diagonal element in this case, so remember that it is. They can also do these elements does not always take it, but trying a moment you can then. Paving. By paving you decide where to do them. Here I made some. Here we have a garage, so we don't do it. I go out. This means that I have a flooring here, which is a little higher. The internal flooring is lower because if we observe them, here they are. Here is the height of the external flooring. Here of the internal flooring are slightly different. With this method you can create all the indoor flooring that can be used. Let's look, for example, also in clay, that the representation is nice, so I can enter see all my floors. Then of course I have to give the materials. We have the floors outside. Those floors, let's say inside here there is a small step because as I said they are more high. Those who are outside, those who want, can have fun and can also do the flooring. Inside the house, perhaps hiding the walls, add selection. There are also stairs, so there are. Take the floors, the wooden ones, to be clear, which are these, and take the steps to make the steps. Just click here on these, and you do all the steps inside of the house. For the staircase file, open, don't save Villa Parame flooring, and open has been built a bit with this logic, so there are different flooring as far as concerns those that are the exteriors and those that are precisely the interiors. This is also a very easy to use tool, very useful.